Hello and welcome to Anterra's video series on solving your construction problems. Today we're going to see how easy it is to determine the root cause of a labor rate variance. We're going to start from our job overview dashboard. Here we can immediately see that the job has two unhealthy areas. We are 10 days behind schedule, and our labor rate is $5.95 over budget. Even though we're only 10% through our labor cost, we need to nip this in the bud. Our project manager is already forecasting an $820,000 cost overrun, and if we continue at this labor rate, we will cause a $4.7 million overrun on an $80 million job. Let's drill into our rate variance to our labor dashboard. As soon as we see the labor dashboard, a problem is obvious. Look at the labor hour bar chart. The bars show regular time in blue and overtime in green. We can see that there are a lot of overtime hours being recorded. You can see how many regular and overtime hours there are by pay period by hovering over each bar. Looking at our grid, we see quite a high number of overtime hours, and this is likely the cause of our labor rate variance. Again, you can see the threat of a $4.7 million variance if the average labor rate continues at $52.15 an hour. Now that we've identified that overtime is a big issue, let's drill down into the job to see if there are other issues. All of our grids can be sorted, pivoted, and exported to Excel. To find the biggest labor rate variances, let's remove the divisional cost code grouping, then sort by the largest labor rate variance. Let's drill into the sewer install, which has a $19.75 variance. Our cost by pay period shows some interesting results. First, we can see that there are many people recording time to the job, many more than 40-hour full-time equivalent employees. This implies a scheduling problem. Why are so many people working on the job in a pay period? We could drill down on the labor cost to see the names of the hourly workers on the job if we liked. Let's go back to our labor dashboard by clicking here on our breadcrumb. In summary, we've identified that our job is behind schedule and has a labor rate variance. With a few clicks, we've determined that the root cause of our variance is too many overtime hours and too many hourly workers recording time to the job. At Anterra, we have over 200 pre-built dashboards for construction, finance, and real estate. Please contact us to discuss how we can help solve your business problems.